Basically, a Loadmaster is the individual who approves all cargo for flight.
We actually load up our cargo, supervise the loading of our cargo, and fly on a mission with the aircraft to different destinations.
You got to get the beans and the bullets to the troops, whether we're landing and offloading it to them or flying overhead, dropping it out of the back with the parachute.
My name's Sergeant Newman from Travis Air Force Base, California, and I'm a student in training to be a Loadmaster.
When they come here, we start off teaching all the basics, the technical orders and the Air Force instructions. We also actually teach them the hands-on portion where they learn to marshal into the aircraft the vehicles that we're loading and secure them properly. You're going to carry Humvees, you're going to carry tanks, you can carry helicopters, watercraft, ATVs.
18-wheelers, 15,000-pound bombs, demining equipment. Some of the crews have loaded killer whales and moved them back to Iceland. So you have all types of different cargo that you can experience as a Loadmaster.
There are multiple formulas that we have to run and calculate to see if the aircraft is within limitations, based off of the aircraft's weight, the amount of fuel that's on board, and the weight of the cargo.
Blocks 1 through 4 are actually in the classroom environment.
The class is pretty intense as far as the pace goes. A lot of knowledge comes at you real fast. I'm studying 2 to 3 hours per day during the weekdays and 4 hours during the weekends.
All of our instructors here have at least a minimum of 8 years experience on the actual flight line. We try to portray to the students what they'll deal with once they get out to their flying units.
Once they leave here, they are awarded their wings, and they'll continue on to their follow-on training, whether it be a C-130, a C-17, or a C-5, where they'll learn how to load that aircraft specifically.
The reason I want to be a Loadmaster is definitely the traveling involved and the sense of accomplishment you get out of the missions that you're flying.